Are you burning through your signage repair budget trying to keep up with old technology? You may be able to convert those signs to LED rather than continuing to pour money down the drain. Prices for LEDs continue to fall as they become more popular. In addition, LEDs are lasting longer, performing better, and there are more options to customize to your needs. Today, nearly all new signs are manufactured with LED light engines. However, there's still billions of lineal feet of power-hungry neon tubes illuminating brands across the U.S. A casual dining restaurant with 250 locations approached us regarding a spend of more than $600,000 last year maintaining out-of-date neon channel letters. Transformers were failing, the neon stopped burning, and storms are creating electrical and face repair issues at a much greater frequency. Most of their neon letters were at least 8 years old and still in good condition. We were able to work within their $600,000 spend and build out a solution where they could invest in converting neon in the field to LED. Not only did they dramatically reduce their repair costs, but they were also able to reduce their electricity costs by nearly 80%. Their newly installed LEDs were much more energy efficient. It's like putting a hybrid engine in your old gas-guzzling car. Bottom line, the payback for this project was 2.2 years, and they perform better too.